It's Monday, I believe it's the 29th, might be the 30th. Red alert time on the stock market. Red alert time because for the first time in, God, maybe a year, NASDAQ opens down almost 50 points in the first 10 minutes or so, close to 50 points. That's a major move, something not expected. A lot of the chaos around the world from Trump's executive orders is having a big impact. But it's all inevitable. It doesn't really matter what Trump does. The market's going to go where it's going to go. We got a red alert time because we're now pushing back down to the 20,000 mark. And for all the cheerleaders over at CNBC who have been cheering on every uptick in the market, drawing sheep into the corral just to get slaughtered, talking about 20,000 like it's the God's gift from the world. You know, those people I think are very irresponsible and actually should be sanctioned to some level in my opinion, because they're not investment advisors, but they are leading the public into slaughter. We are professional speculators. We're only working with people with risk capital, money to lose if they're wrong. We're taking a very small limited risk and putting ourselves in position for an unlimited payoff that has no legal or practical limit of any kind. I'm not even going to quote the kind of returns we can get that I know we can get from past experience. All I will say to you is that they're life-changing, generationally life-changing potentially. But we got a red alert right now because if the Dow breaks 20,000, and it looks like it's about to, I mean, it might, not 100%, but if it breaks 20,000 here this morning, that is a major area of support right now in the market. And if we close below 20,000, much less somewhat significantly below 20,000, there's going to be an imminent explosion. There will be a crash type scenario that will develop. Don't kid yourself. Below 20,000 is a very dangerous spot if you're a large institutional investor. Unfortunately, the retail investor, and I include the fix and flippers in the real estate market who are lulled to sleep, they have no awareness of interest rates or inflation and how that affects what they're doing. Whenever any investment class gets easy and everybody can do it and there's no risk, you're about to get run over. That's what's happened historically always. But for the NASDAQ market right now, specifically the stock market players, which we're focusing on, you're in a very dangerous spot if we close below 20,000. So this is a red alert from Uncle Steve on Monday, January 29th, coming to you from the north side of Chicago, home of the world champion Chicago Cubs. If the Cubs can win the World Series, things can happen in the market that people never expect. God bless everybody. Watch out. This is a red alert. If we break 20,000, market's going to crash. God bless everybody.